There are many products available to choose detailing tools, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best detailing tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Car Polisher. Polishers smooth out paint imperfections. Random orbital polishers mimic a hand polishing motion and are easy enough for beginners to use. Steve Evans, owner of Tampa Boat Detailing, recommends the SureHold Pro Rotary Polisher. Evans says his SureHold polisher is durable and easy to use and creates fantastic results. Killingsworth prefers rotary polishers, which spin in a consistent, circular motion. They're the strongest type of polisher, but it can take time to learn how to use and control one properly. The lightweight Blackdecker 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer Polisher gets top marks on Amazon for ergonomics and ease of use. Number 2. Car Vacuum. Vacuums are essential for eliminating every kind of loose particle from your car's interior. You can bring your household vacuum outside, but a dedicated car vacuum will do the job right. Creech likes the Metrovac Vac N-Blow car detailing vacuum because it also works as a dryer, removing water for tight spots and crevices. That prevents water spots which can damage your car's clear coat. If you're not sure you'll use the Metrovac enough to justify the $300 price, a shop vacuum like the Armor All-Wet Dry Utility Shop Vac can do the trick, along with vacuuming the garage and workshop. Number 3. Car Dryer. Car dryers effectively dry interiors and tight spots like side mirrors and door jambs. Water can run out later from those crevices and create unwanted and hard-to-remove water spots. Creech likes the Metrovac Air Force Blaster car and motorcycle dryer. Weighing 3 pounds, it blasts air at a rate of 18,000 feet per minute. It also filters and heats up the air to about 30 F above the ambient temperature. Number 4. Foam Gun. If you don't want to invest in a pressure washer, Creech says a foam gun attachment for your garden hose is an affordable alternative. Fill the canister with water and a few ounces of car soap. Turn on the hose and spray a decently thick lather onto your car. Creech recommends Adams Foam Gun. It lets you choose between a concentrated stream or a wide fan of foam and control the water-to-soap ratio as you go. Number 5. Pressure Washer. Pressure washers force water through a small nozzle. That extra pressure saves a lot of elbow grease when it's time to remove tough, stuck-on muck. You can also put car soap into a pressure washer to avoid hand washing altogether. Will Creech, a professional detailer and blogger at DetailDIY.com, says the Karcher K1700 pressure washer, an electric model with a maximum pounds per square inch (PSI) of 1/1700, is a good choice with a good warranty if you only need it a few times a year. If you'll use a pressure washer more regularly, Creech says the Active VE52 electric pressure washer, at about $100 more than the Karcher, is worth the money. The mostly metal Active should be more durable and last longer than the Karcher, which has some plastic parts. The Active goes up to 1800 psi and flows 2 gallons per minute. The Karcher offers about a 1.2 gallon per minute flow rate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.